Shear pins, do they really matter? Time in a hurry, we'll just get a standard bolt from the hardware store. However, I have grade 8 pins as well. What is the difference? We'll see. That is all the mess that it took to jam up. There's almost nothing there. And yet that broke a standard hardware store bolt without even trying. Granted, there was a little bit of mud that went through with it, but there shouldn't have been enough there to make any real difference. So let's get that cleared out. Loosen off the cover. And that slides down out of the way. Spin the wheel around until you find where the bolt has to go through. There's the remnants of the last one. Then the hard part, getting everything twisted around into place. Sometimes you need a little more than just your hands do. This part. Alright, I got channel locks here. They might work. Well, they probably won't. There we go. The other half of the pin. Inches through. Now to put a nut on there to secure it. Probably should have two, but I only have, actually I do have a second one. Now, are the channel lock's going to grip that well enough? Or do I have to go get another wrench? Well, that seems to work. However, the pipe wrench is a little too big. I was looking for that this morning. That's tight enough. Tighten the guard back into place, and now that's done. Move back around to the other side, clear that out. There, that should get the chamber open. Now for the hard part of getting myself in there to finish the clean out. There, that should be good to go. So I got a 50 pack of shear pins for this now. This one, not being kept. So let's put this box somewhere where it'll be safe and where I can find them in a hurry. This baler doesn't have a toolbox, but what it does have is a compartment here. We'll tuck those in right behind the twine. Good to go.